Hi guys, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm here at beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Bish's RV is the place to buy an RV, and boy, this might be the RV to buy. I just wanted to take a quick moment. I could spend a lot of time telling you about the Newmar quality and what an amazing rig this is, but if you're looking at this video, you probably already know that. What I wanted to show you is just how beautiful this is on the inside. It is a 2022 Dutch Star 3709. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got everything that you're gonna want. But on the inside, it's just as fashion forward as the outside and really exciting. Come on and take a look. So if you look right away, you're gonna see that this is not your grandparents' old Dutch Star. This is beautiful, fashion forward, light interiors, beautiful accents. When this turns on, all the lights go off. It's beautiful at night, so gorgeous. And it's a lot more like what you would see in a new upscale home. Maybe designed by someone like Joanna Gaines with Fixer Upper. You know, nice, beautiful, modern, relevant, current. That's what people really want, especially if you're going to be in one of these for a long time. Take a look at this beautiful seating. You and your partner can sit here and really relax and enjoy watching TV and hanging out in comfort. Beautiful, comfortable dining area here. Lots of storage underneath, lots of storage up above. You've got a nice big Whirlpool refrigerator, the freezer on the bottom, plenty of space for everything that you're going to need. You just can't beat that. Moving into the bedroom, you're going to see a gorgeous bedroom, lots of counter space, lots of cupboard space to hang clothes. You've got a nice TV here and a window. Beautiful king-size bed with storage underneath. Storage all around. Look how gorgeous the accents are all around this bedroom. It just feels very regal, doesn't it? It's gorgeous. And if you look, there's a nice big mirror, and then you walk into this rear bathroom. There is washer and dryer inside there, as well as everything else that you would want in a bathroom right here. A gorgeous glass surround on the shower, your washer and dryer. Plenty of medicine cabinet space and extra storage space, and everything is just as beautiful as you would expect it to be from a Newmar. And look at these beautiful glass doors back here. That's for your privacy. They just slide right into place and lock. We love that. And here's your commode right here. And then moving right along here to the kitchen, you've even got a little dishwasher right here that I can't open, but it's there. Look at this Whirlpool microwave, convection microwave. You've got the true induction stove on both sides. And these little covers for it, which extends your countertop and protects your stove. And you've got a televator that pops right up here in front of your electric fireplace. So you can have a romantic evening, pop some popcorn, watch a movie, and all of that in something that is absolutely drop dead gorgeous and so much fun. I would love to show this one to you. We've got others, but I think this one's really neat, and you might too. And if you like it, give me a call. My name's Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.